So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a DIY on some fixtures that I have in my in-home salon. So if you haven't checked out my last video, then definitely check that out. It's on my grass wall, and in that video I show you my in-home salon and what it looks like on there. But I asked for some recommendations, and a lot of you guys recommended that I spray painted some of the fixtures versus going out and paying and buying new fixtures. So that's what I'm going to be doing in this video. So if you're interested in seeing me spray paint some fixtures, then stay tuned. All right, y'all, so these are the spray paints that I actually picked up. So what I'm gonna do is actually spray paint the mirror with these two, and I don't know that I'm actually even gonna need all two of these, but I'm gonna spray paint the mirror with these two, and then I'm gonna spray paint the bookshelf with this one. And I picked these, all three of these up from my local Target. And let me tell you guys, while we're in quarantine, one of the best things that Target has is the drive up service. And you guys, literally it is a cakewalk. So if you get a chance to do that, buy something online and to drive up, you literally don't have to get out of your car for anything. It's the best. Not sponsored. You guys, I don't know much about any of this, so I am not even going to prime anything. I'm not going to buff anything. I'm just going to spray. So this is the tape that I'm going to be using. It is ScotchBlue tape. I got this from Target as well. And then I'm just going to be using this Southern Living magazine. And I'm just going to be taking the magazine and covering up the remaining parts of the mirror that is open so that I don't get any paint on it. Alright, y'all, so I just got done spray painting both. It took me roughly about an hour to cover everything and then spray paint everything. So yeah, your girl is tired. It's hot as hell out here too. I let it dry for about 15 to 20 minutes between coats. That's pretty much what I did. 2 coats on both, and this is the result. I honestly feel like I probably could have done another coat on the mirror, but it is what it is. I only had 2 bottles, so I may go back and over it with this gold spray paint right here just to see what it looks like, and it's gonna look good once I clean the mirror and stuff anyway. So all right, y'all, so here is the final result. This is the bookshelf and the mirror. I'm just gonna show y'all what it looks like up close. So here is the mirror, down, and then here is the bookshelf. It has glass shelves on it, and so what I'm gonna probably do is end up making this a product rack. I said that in my last video, and if you haven't checked out my last video on my in-home salon, then definitely check that out. I'm gonna link it down below to see how we created this grass wall, so definitely check that out. But yeah, you guys, this is the final results. If you like this, then definitely go ahead and thumbs up this video. Give me a big thumbs up, comment, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.